Let's examine the next feature. The hatch theme has been enhanced. It is not mandatory to possess a closed figure. We can also adhere to certain alignment and observe it within AutoCAD. Once inside the project, we proceed towards the hatch, and you will be able to observe that there are multiple choices available, which include rectangle, circle, and mode. When selecting the mode, we are given two options, namely generating areas or following a path from which we can choose. If we move towards the area, you will see that we have rectangles here. Let's select a rectangle. I will indicate a point on the screen. We draw the next corner and our hatch is generated. If we switch modes and now indicate that it should follow a path, the software will automatically create the desired pattern along the specified trajectory. To begin, we have full control over the alignment of the hatch. You have the option to choose whether the hatch will be centered, internal, or external. If you prefer the external alignment, we will closely follow the selected element. Simply click to generate the hatch. Once it is generated, let's proceed by clicking again to transform it into an arc. Follow the shape of the hatch up to a specific point and then turn it into a line by clicking once more. To add more detail, click again to convert it back into an arc. Continue shaping the hatch by converting it to a line, similar to the process of creating polylines. Click to make it an arc once more as needed. Reach the desired point, and then turn it into a line, trace the element, and finally turn it back into an arc to close it at the designated point. Press Enter to confirm your selection. So, in summary, what alterations were made to the command that resulted in the changes? Let's take a look. The hatch command was modified and 3 variables were added. You have control over the width, alignment, whether it's inside, outside, or centered, and the drawing mode, which can be either area or path. So, you can adjust these settings to customize the hatch according to your needs. Here in the command line are the commands we were looking at a moment ago.